biggest reason, I guess, was the hurricanes of the past several years and losing power for 4 or 5 days. When I looked next door, my neighbor's got solar and he's up and running with power. I talked with my financial advisor before I did all this. He said that money you're going to definitely get a return on, where investing in something else in the stock market you don't know. And he felt it was a good idea for me to at this part of my life and all. I just retired. I decided I'm going to stay on the property I've been at for, this is 38 years now. Looking to cut bills, be more self-sufficient, not depend on the power company. Those prices are always going to go up. I think it's an investment for the future. And then I started doing my research. Chris was far and away the one I wanted to go with. And he designed a system that I wanted, not where the other people were trying to sell me something they wanted. CKR Solar was by far the most knowledgeable one I talked to. The other I felt were just trying to sell me something. Where Chris was wanting to design something for me that was going to last into the future. I just feel that's the way of the future, even though I'm old and retired now. I wish I did it 20 years ago. It's nice, it's a good feeling to know you have power if the grid is down. I still have power. I feel it's much easier than having a generator on hand and all that, and I feel safer. If you're going solar, talk to Chris at CKR before you make your final decision.